Hi there, I'm Liz. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing, and follow along on Instagram and TikTok at Launched by Liz to keep up with all of my latest tips. If you're working on refreshing your resume, you've come to the right place. I'm here to help. I've used my resume to make 3 career changes, win a full scholarship to my master's at MIT, and even land a SpaceX job offer. I'm a big believer in having a strong, tailored resume to make your mark and stand out among the tons of applicants who are out there competing for your dream role. I've reviewed and upgraded more resumes than I can count over the past year. Today, I'm sharing the biggest mistakes I've seen while career coaching. Make sure that you avoid these before sharing your resume, which represents your professional brand to your future employer. Let's start with a controversial one, the LinkedIn profile link. Okay, it's a great idea to add your link, but I've seen so many mistakes when it comes to this addition. First, you have to make sure your link works. Test it out. I've seen so many broken links at the top of resumes. That's a bad first impression that you don't want to make with anyone you're sharing your resume with. Another mistake when it comes to your LinkedIn link, make sure you're proud of your LinkedIn. If you haven't updated your profile in a while and it doesn't reflect your best self or your future career goals, consider removing it from your resume until you're ready. You don't want to add it to the top of your resume if it doesn't represent you well. Let's talk numbers. Whether you work in marketing or analytics, you have to quantify your resume. This is another easy mistake that you can avoid. Adding those numbers help define the importance and relevance of your work to an outsider. Quantifying also makes it easier for the reader to translate your experiences into stories that they can relate to the new job description. The easier it is for the interviewer to see you achieving milestones, the easier it will be for them to envision you in your new job. You can add numbers in so many ways. Don't wait to start quantifying the impact of your work. The third mistake. Have you heard of the applicant tracking system, or the ATS? When it comes to your application, you have to tailor your resume to the job posting. Unfortunately, this means a little extra effort to stand out from the crowd for each application. Reusing the same resume for all your applications will put you at risk when it comes to the applicant tracking system that so many companies use. Many companies use the ATS to sort through the millions of applications they receive across roles. This system matches great candidates to jobs by tracking qualifications and keyword alignment in resumes. If your resume uses words including descriptive adjectives or the exact verbs from the job posting, you're more likely to make it through to a hiring manager's desk. If you're interested in learning more, check out my course on how to design your resume for the job search and the ATS system linked below. Don't forget to visit my website, launchedbyliz.com, to learn more career tips and sign up for my newsletter. If you loved this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay in touch and let me know how you're doing. I hope your resume helps you land the job of your dreams.